Now let's go into an exercise called water waves. So we turn from our hips and our waist to the right and the left, and we allow the arms to spiral around the body. As you do so, just allow your spine to be long and allow your shoulders to relax. And as you spiral from the right to the left, just feel how it opens up the spine, opens up your shoulders, your elbows, all the way down through the arms. This is a wonderful exercise to do to bring a level of calm and emotional balance into your life in that moment. And this exercise has the ability to just draw us into the present moment by paying attention to the body as it moves in this moment. You can even close your eyes, and as you move from right to left, just feel the arms gliding through the air. You might even feel the air caressing your skin and moving through your fingers. Beautiful. Take a deep, deep breath into your body. And as you exhale, begin to slow the movement down. Slow it down. And just enjoy being in the stillness for one moment. Now let's move on to the wave. So we're going to move the spine in flexion and extension. So allow your hands to rest on your thighs. Knees are soft. Shift your hips back. Bend forward from your hips and your waist. Open your chest as you gaze forward. Now drop your head. Curl your tailbone under. Begin to press your hips forward and then stack your spine on top of your hips. Your head is the last thing to lift. Take a deep breath, standing tall. Exhale, shift your hips back, bend forward. Slowly roll up, moving through your spine sequentially. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale, rolling up. And exhale, bending forward. So moving your body with this relaxed, flowing like motion, like water. Now let's go in the opposite direction. So we stand tall as you inhale. And this time as you exhale, you're going to just bring your chin to your chest and roll down. And then you'll lift your head, lift your back, lift the spine, up, 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 standing tall. Exhale, bring your chin to your chest and slowly rolling down. Inhale, lift the head, lift the upper back, open your heart forward. And exhale. So moving the body, the spine, in this wave-like motion in two different directions to bring more energy and vitality to your spine. Joseph Pilates used to say that you are only as young as your spine is flexible. So we do these exercises to keep the spine flexible and supple as we age. Inhale, lift up nice and tall. And exhale, stay tall. Okay, so now let's move the spine in another range of motion, which is lateral flexion, which is side bending. We did a little bit of this earlier in the class, right? This is called dog wags the tail. So we're going to shift our weight side to side. And as we do so, we'll side bend to the opposite side. And as we do so, we allow the arms to swing. And we just breathe deeply, opening the lateral sides of the spine and opening up your ribs. And wag your tail like a happy dog. And let's begin to slow the movement down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Until you are still. Now let's open the legs and feet a little bit wider. So we open wider than the shoulders. We bend the knees. And we're going to do just simple weight shifts from side to side. And we're going to add a rotation of the spine as we go to the right and then the left. Allow the arms to swing, and then we knock along key pressure points in the low back and the abdomen for knocking on the door of life. As you shift from side to side, really move from your center. So I'm moving from the center of my body. That's where I hold my power. That's where we all hold our power. Good. Now let's tap on the chest. Just below your collarbone, make a soft fist right in the corner of your chest. And then let's tap on the top of the shoulder, base of the neck. And let's go back down to the chest again. And then to the waist and low back. And then slow it down until you're still in the center.